May I now request Professor Ahmed Kamal, ANRF-PM Professor OU, to share his message with the audience. Professor Ahmed Kamal is the Prime Minister Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Osmania University, and former Director of CSIR IICT, Hyderabad, an eminent medicinal chemist. His research focuses on the design and synthesis of bioactive molecules, particularly anti-cancer agents and gene-targeting compounds. He has published over 580 research papers and has guided more than 100 PhD scholars, making remarkable contributions to medicinal chemistry and drug discovery research.
Very good morning to all of you. Professor Vijayalata, Professor Brahmanandam, Professor Lalita, Professor Avataram, Professor Padmavati, dear participants for this workshop, students, faculty. I think it's a wonderful opportunity to have this workshop under the ANRF-PAIR program. I really appreciate that Government of India has thought of such programs recently, as mentioned by my previous speakers, that bringing some of the excellent researchers and collaborate with many state universities, the model what is hub and spokes here. This is something I think it will definitely bring a big difference. That's my thinking. Because such a thing, as mentioned by Brahmanandam, we never used to think of collaborations. Mostly, we would like to do something on our own, publish, look for your own, how do we have enough publications for various aspects, either promotions or getting enhancements in whatever way. So the ultimate output is very, very narrow. Under such programs, I feel this becomes a very broad-based thing. And such a broad thing will definitely bring better innovation in the coming years. I'm sure about it. Because I can tell you an example. We worked on because we got one India-US project on clean energy, particularly biofuels. There were 3 programs in that: solar energy, biofuels, and energy efficiency in buildings. So we were lucky to get selected for that particular project. And I was coordinating this program from the Indian side, and there was University of Florida from the US side, which was a coordinating university. And we had something like 11 partners from India, having the academic ones practically from almost IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, then ICRISAT here, since it's a biofuels, then again Agricultural University, JNTU, and many other universities involving, and 2 industry partners, HPCL and Abalon Clean Energy from Ahmedabad. So what I realized, because this was also a big program of 5 years, and we were supposed to deliver the technology for the biofuels, what we are using now as bioethanol mixed in the petrol vehicles. So working on this, coordinating particularly was not that easy, because when you have so many institutions, they have their own ideas, they have their own ego. So generally scientists are known to have certain ego when they are trying to work. So working in a team, it's not very easy. Why I'm giving this example is you're going to have face such aspects and issues. So how do we bring them together? Many times they will have diverse ideas. So in fact, I had to personally go for counseling many times to say that we are doing something for the country, we are doing something for this, rather than we should leave behind all these personal other aspects. And to tell you the truth, we in fact arranged for some team building, professional coaching also, just for a day in about a year or 2. so that everybody are on the same page when you're working for something of that type and nature. So this is what I think you all have to strive in this present program, although it's excellent, and I'm sure it could give wonderful results, particularly as mentioned by Professor Pramanandam, that drug discovery is a very long-drawn process. And the interventions from AI and ML could bring a big change. So how far we would be successful is a different thing, but at least the attempt has to be made. Because it's not just here. I think world over this is happening. Many pharma industries are working on such things, and many other institutes from all over the world are doing these things. So we also have to compete with this, and I can only say that this 2-day workshop will also churn up many new ideas, because one-to-one discussions will matter a lot. Otherwise, just online and all that, I generally don't believe that things would work to the way it can happen when you are face-to-face. And I would only say that my best wishes to all of you for the success of this program, and look forward to have wonderful, high-impact publications from such a program, and maybe a number of patents which could come out from such a program. Okay, all the best, and thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging and thought-provoking message.